Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can post the very demure notes on your Instagram direct messages page. So first you are going to want to go to the direct messages tab here. Then you're going to go to the notes section. You used to be able to type in gold and the notes will turn gold, but I think they changed it now to the very demure one. So I'm just going to leave a new note and I'll just type in very demure, and it's going to change into like a white colored background instead of the dark one on the the dark mode on Instagram. I don't know what will happen if you're on light mode, but who is anyways. But I don't know, maybe sometimes you are still, well, some of you guys might still be in light mode, but hurts my eyes. But anyways, that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!